Aromas help create the memories that last a lifetime, and P&J Trading's premium line of fragrance oils delivers a variety of scents that captures life's best moments. Bay rum, Christmas wreath, chocolate chip cookie, and cotton candy are just a few of the many aromas you can have at your fingertips. Our unique fragrance oils are highly concentrated, phthalate-free, enhanced formulations ideal for everything from crafting to body care to home care creations. They can transform the mood in a room via diffusion, make a soap a sensational experience, or help create slime, taking fun to a whole new level. P&J Trading has created over 140 fragrances, which come in 10, 30, and 100 milliliter bottles. Our most popular fragrances are also available in sets of 6, 14, and 28 that allow you an extensive selection as well as making value gifts you can share with your loved ones. There's also now a P&J room spray that enhances your environment by eliminating odors in your home, office, or car. Customize your home ambience and create lasting memories quickly and easily with P&J Trading fragrance oils. We bring the world to your door.